Hi, I'm Pete, an e-commerce manager in the food industry, where staying ahead of the game is essential. In the fast-paced and ever-changing food industry, understanding consumer preferences is vital. But let me tell you, it's not piece of cake. With countless products and rapidly evolving trends, it can be like navigating a culinary labyrinth. That's where Sensia comes to the rescue. Sensia, the game changer for e-commerce managers like me. Sensia scours multiple data sources, from online reviews and social media to food blogs and recipe forums. It helps me uncover the latest food trends, identify emerging flavors, and tap into the evolving demands of our target market. Sensia's advanced algorithms provide me with comprehensive reports highlighting the strengths of our food products and areas where we can improve. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals customer desires and expectations. Sensia's comprehensive reports highlight not only the strengths of our food products but also potential pitfalls specific to the industry. It alerts me to issues like ingredient quality, labeling compliance, and even food safety concerns, allowing me to take immediate action to protect our customers and our reputation. Armed with Sensia's precise insights, I can optimize our product offerings to cater to the ever-changing tastes and dietary preferences of our customers. Whether it's gluten-free options, plant-based alternatives, or indulgent treats, Sensia helps me stay one step ahead of the competition. Thanks to Sensia, our food business has flourished. We've experienced increased customer satisfaction, higher sales conversions, and even expanded into new markets. Sensia's data-driven approach has transformed how we operate and allowed us to become a trusted name in the culinary world. In conclusion, Sensia is the must-have tool for e-commerce managers in the food industry. It equips us with the knowledge to make informed decisions that resonate with our target market, navigate industry challenges, and deliver exceptional culinary experiences. Join the revolution and switch to Sensia today.